Welcome back to Explore Life with Flora Koilekaki, another trip to a neglected kitchen garden. Pineapple, one pineapple there. This is lemongrass. Drought did it for us, guys. This is the effect of drought, and we forgot to, well, water. This is another pineapple. Cabbage that refused to form. That's cabbage. Then there's lots of pawpaw seedlings. We must have thrown out some seeds after eating. Another lemongrass. Dwarf pawpaw trees. Yet another lemongrass. Some spinach. Some spinach here and there. We actually do eat them. Wow. And some mint. This is interesting, guys. There's mint. Whoa, this is interesting. I love this. There's mint. Then there's some more cabbage that refused to form. I don't know if it's as a result of neglect or there was no enough water. Yes. Overgrown kale. We can use them as seedlings and replant. That we are going to do. A bit of managu here and there that we use for preserving seeds. A new pawpaw. No. This is avocado that is hiding somewhere here. This is avocado. Kind of just throw around seeds. A bit of amaranth. There was lots of it. Again, it's drought. This is managu. And then there is my avocado tree that is growing tall and beautiful. So there's still something to eat, but not so much to share with the chicken, so I need to work on so much. Tomato, stray tomato. Again, it's just about lack of care. So this is it. Saturdays are for discovering what's working and what's not working.